Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I get my hair like this. So basically how to bleach and or dye your waves without losing your progress, you know, because I know some of y'all be brushing. Okay, I know the work that it takes to get waves, and I know that it's easier for some people than others, but either way, you don't want to lose your progress. And I know that's a main concern for anybody who has waves who wants to dye them, you know, like, is my pattern gonna be the same, blah blah blah. This is my hair now. This is the final result right here. Get a little back view. Since my hair is short, I like to experiment a lot. And like, if you follow me on Instagram or you follow me on Twitter, then you'll see like I've done a lot of colors. I thought that maybe having waves now would kind of limit the kind of colors that I can do now, like only being able to do natural colors. I've seen other wavers with colorful hair like mine. That made me think like, if they can do it, I could do it too. So if you want to see how I got these beautiful pink waves, honey, just keep watching.
Alright guys, so here is what you are going to need. A mixing bowl and a brush, mostly for your bleach but also for your dye if you need to mix it. A 30 volume developer. Any powder lightener, I usually use the Quick Blue brand. Gloves to protect your hands, of course. Plastic bags to wrap up your hair. And any color safe shampoo and conditioner. So this is how my hair looks like at the beginning. It's dirty and I haven't washed it in a week. I didn't actually record myself mixing my bleach, but all I did was follow the directions that were on the bucket, which were to mix 1 scoop of the powder with 2 ounces of developer. One thing that I like to do when I'm bleaching or dyeing my hair is to use a handheld mirror to be able to see the back of my head in the mirror behind me. And this is just so that I avoid missing any spots or anything, because that gets really annoying, especially when you don't have anybody to help you dye your hair.
They can't flip my shit, they can't serve with me, they can't hold no pound, niggas only keep 10 G's.
After I've covered my whole head in bleach, I smooth my hair out in the same direction that I usually brush it. Now I'm taking a hard brush that you'd usually use at the beginning of your brush session to lift your hair up, and I'm lightly brushing my hair just to distribute the bleach more evenly throughout it. And then after that, I take a little bit more bleach, maybe just some that's left over on the brush, and put it back on my head just to smooth it out.
I say my jewelry got them sick, all the girls they wanna lick.
I wake up every day to get this money, and every day I go to sleep feeling great. I remember being stuck in the hood.
Next, I'm wrapping my head up with a plastic bag and letting that process for 25 to 30 minutes.
And in return, I just bless them by hitting gang. Flight after flight, show after show. I'm tripping night after night. To find me, you gon' need a satellite. I'm busy eating, keep an appetite.
So I let my hair process for like 30 minutes and it was nice and even. So of course, as you can see, I was hype as shit.
I got bitches all over me asking can they take a bit. I got gold all on my wrist. On my wrist I got them pissed. I say my jewelry got them sick. All the girls they wanna lick. Okay, my jewelry looking sick. Niggas talking shit.
As you can see, my hair is in bright blonde and it still has like a yellow tint to it, but I really didn't care because I just wanted my hair to be light enough for the color to actually take. I didn't mention this in the beginning of my video with the other materials, but the dye that I use to color my hair, if anybody was wondering, is Clairol Professional brand, and it is in the shade Fuchsia Plum. I applied the dye according to the directions on the bottle, which were to apply the dye to towel dried hair. Now, other dyes, you have to completely dry your hair out before you apply the dye, so just make sure that you follow whatever directions are on the dye of your choice. Here I'm using the same hard brush that I used before, after washing it of course, and I'm just using the same exact technique that I used for the bleach. Once again, I'm wrapping up my hair with a plastic bag, and I'm going to let it process for about 30 minutes. So here I'm just rinsing out my hair, and I didn't end up shampooing it, but I did do a co-wash.
But around town niggas don't like me, they won't fight me, wanna work high key.
At this point, my hair was really dry from bleaching it and dyeing it, of course, so it was really important that I used a deep conditioner and let that sit for about 30 minutes right after I rinsed out my hair. After covering my whole head in conditioner, I take a medium brush and I brush my hair the same way that I usually would, and then let it sit.
Like I'm Darth Vader, selling drugs get you higher than a skyscraper. Smith & Wesson same color as a damn Raider. All my niggas blitz for that damn paper. I don't give a fuck about Fader. Really in the field like my name.
I'm using a Cantu leave-in moisturizer on my hair and then brushing my hair with a medium brush for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, I used some Murray's, of course, gotta use my Murray's, and brushed my hair with the soft side for about 5 more minutes before putting coconut oil all over my head and brushing with the soft side once again for about 5 more minutes. And I also used the plastic bag method and then followed up by putting on my do-rag, of course.
So that's it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to comment, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.